know what he's going to do with it. I mean, he would violate your constitutional guarantee in the second. Right. Well, we got to go very quickly. I don't have a lot of time. You know,